Hello, everyone. It's Donna, and today I'm actually going to show you how I digitized all of these football words that I did. I had people ask me a long time ago if I could just do, like, say, a font that would, no matter where they would type it in, it would automatically go to the right letters and the right sizes, and I told them no, and you're about to find out why. So this was the design that I did for the Chiefs. um, and I think the very first one I did had the word football in here, and I started doing different mascots and stuff. So I'm just going to show you exactly how I did it now. I'm leaving the little football corners, the edges here, because that is the shape of the football. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a font engine, and I'm doing the DF Gothic EB right now. And let's just say we want to do Rangers. Okay, so I've got the Rangers here, I've typed it in, and I am going to say finish object, and you'll see it all here. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove all of these skips, because when we get through here, there are the jumps, they're not going to mean anything, because the stops and starts may change. And then I'm going to take this Rangers down. And I'm basically going to try to center it in the design. And before I even start anything, I'm going to go with the plain fill. Oops, I'm going to remove zigzag 2 and change my underlay to a 3 and say OK. So that's for all of the letters. Now what I'm going to try to do is stretch this to about where the size of the Chiefs is. And the reason I do that is because you're going to want a little bit of white on either side. It can be a little more, a little less. You play with it, but this is how it's going to be. And then I'm going to bring the top up a little bit to be about as high as the top of the C, and you will see over here on this left hand side I've touched the brown, so I need to bring this in just a hair, and the right hand side looks okay with the S, and I'm going to pull this down to be approximately the end of the football, the bottom portion of the football on the left hand side, and we are going to start with that right now. So we're going to first take the R, and we are going to go into edit, and what we're going to do is bring these nodes, whoops, that's the center. We're going to bring this down a little bit. That one's here. And we're going to bring this about where the top of the R, or the where the line, if you were to imagine a line going from the end of this part of the football up, we're going to be trying to do that. And here we have the R again. So we've done this first part. Okay. And we're going to edit again. The bottom part, as you can see, is very, very close to the end. It would follow the normal line down. So we're going to take this one and kind of follow down, straighten it up some. This the same way. Try to drag it on down in the normal way that it would go. And let's generate the stitches on that one. If we go into the 3D, that is how that one's going to look. Okay, so for the A, we're going to drag it up a little bit more and down, and we're going to edit this one too. I like where the top is, so I'm just going to drag this up and try to keep it straight. I mean, you don't want to like drag it way over here, but try to keep it in the same line. And then on the bottoms, that's okay. I will take this one down. And that. And we'll do a generate stitches here. Now we'll go for the N, and we will start bringing it down and go up. And we will edit, and this one is going to be fairly easy because we should be able to follow the lines pretty well on the part of the H and the I for the Chiefs. So take this down, generate stitches, and you can go back and change the angles, your stop start points, all of that. So the C, there's not too much, or it's a G, sorry. There's not too much to do with the G. You might want to edit this just a little bit and bring this back up because we're already started on the way back up. You see these have turned here, and all of these letters are individually done. So if you decide to do this on your own, you can make these letters as curved as you want. And we'll do the R. The R's are a little bit harder to do on this curved side right here because you want to make it look kind of the same, but you have to bring this down, which means you have to kind of play with the curve over here. I'm just going to put this up. So I can start taking this R up, or the bottom part. And this is all just truly visual on how you like it and how you want it. And then this S, I can so before I remove the Chiefs, I'm actually going to hide them, and I'm going to generate stitches on the entire design, so it should really just bring the brown in, the football. But here is like Rangers now. And anyway, I just wanted to finally show you guys how I manually went through and created every single football design that I did. So I hope you found this interesting and that you can go out there and create your own mascot designs right now. They're fun. They're great for local schools, things like that. So anyway, I will talk to you later and have a great day. This is Donna. Bye.